Welcome to I Love English, the podcast. Listen, learn, and practice your English with me. Hello, English learners. Today, we have a special episode for you. This is your shadowing practice challenge. It's your time to speak out loud, feel confident, and improve your English step by step. How are you today? Did something make you happy? Did you learn a new word yesterday? If yes, that's wonderful. If not, don't worry. You are here now, and that's what matters. Let's be honest. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better English, you need to speak, speak, and speak. But how do you start? Sometimes it feels difficult, or you don't know what to say. That's why shadowing is so helpful. Shadowing means you listen, then you repeat. You copy my words, my sounds, and my rhythm. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting comfortable with speaking English with your own voice. Even if you speak slowly, that's okay. Even if you make mistakes, that's good. Mistakes help you learn. Remember, it's not about how much you study, but how often. 5 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. If you are here now, you are already making progress. Today, we will practice 30 simple sentences. You will hear me say them slowly and clearly in an American accent. There will be a pause, and that's your time to repeat after me. Just follow the subtitles on the screen. Watch for the highlighted words. They will help you. And speak out loud. Even if it feels strange at first, it will help you. This practice is perfect for beginners. Don't try to do too much. Don't stress your mind. Start small, but be regular. Are you ready? Let's warm up your English muscles and speak together. Let's begin your shadowing English speaking practice. Welcome again to this shadowing English speaking practice. My name is Stuart, and I love helping you learn English. Maybe you are thinking, why shadowing? Good question. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation at the same time. When you shadow, you don't just listen, you copy. You hear the words, and then you say them, just like an echo. It helps your mouth and your brain get used to English sounds and sentences. With time, you will sound more natural and more confident. And about my accent, I speak American English, but remember, it doesn't matter if it's American, British, or Australian. The goal is to help you speak and understand English with confidence. So don't worry about the accent. Focus on the rhythm and the music of the sentences. Listen carefully. Then speak clearly with me. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You are learning and you are here. That's what matters most. Before we start, I want you to promise me one thing. Promise that you will not give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not during this challenge. Can you promise that? Yes? Great! I knew you could do it. This is day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. You can do it. Here are the instructions. I will say a sentence. You listen. Then you repeat after me. You can pause and practice again. Follow the subtitles. Look at the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm. Hear the sound. Speak with me. That's it. Let's begin. Number 1. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Number 2. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Number 3. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. Number 4. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. Number 5. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Number 6. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. Number 7. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. Number 8. I try every day. I try every day. I try every day. Number 9. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Number 10. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. I trust my journey even if it's slow. I trust my journey even if it's slow. Great job! Let's try some longer sentences now. Number 11. My effort today helps me speak better tomorrow. My effort today helps me speak better tomorrow. My effort today helps me speak better tomorrow. Number 12. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. Number 13. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. Number 14. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. Number 15. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. Number 16. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. Number 17. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. Number 18. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Number 19. I show up even when it feels hard. I show up even when it feels hard. I show up even when it feels hard. Number 20. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Wow! You have finished 20 sentences. You are doing amazing. Let's do 10 more sentences together. Take a deep breath. Drink some water if you need to. Stretch your arms. Ready? Let's go. Number 21. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English. Every day, I am becoming more confident
in English. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English. Number 22. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Number 23. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. Number 24. English is not hard. It's just new. English is not hard. It's just new. English is not hard. It's just new. Number 25. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. Number 26. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. Number 27. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. Number 28. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Number 29. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. Number 30. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. Fantastic! You finished 30 sentences with me. Did you enjoy this challenge? I hope you did because you worked hard today. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, and speaking with me, even if it's just for a few minutes. You have completed day 1 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. That's something to feel proud of. Well done. If you ever feel stuck or unsure, come back to this video and practice again. Every time you repeat, you get a little stronger. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, I am really proud of you. You can do this. See you tomorrow for day 2 of your English Shadowing Challenge.